Everybody has to be synced on it and working toward better cloud privacy. And I can't state that enough. So we have a tendency in the cloud computing world to push a lot of responsibility on the cloud computing providers. And I think we should. We're paying a lot for that service. But if we're going to pay for that service, we have to use it responsibly. So the cloud providers are going to have something called a shared responsibility model, as I mentioned earlier, which means they're going to put the onus on you to, reconfigure and, deal with the dangerous defaults they're going to give you for, how the data is going to be protected. So you have to be very much on your game in order to have the privacy and security set correctly within your cloud provider. And in some cases, this may be a reevaluation as to whether or not you should use a cloud provider or not. If you're concerned about security, you're not happy with the security services that you're getting from a particular cloud provider that you're leveraging, obviously that's a very expensive service, then you may want to consider moving it back on-prem or maybe to a colocation provider or a managed service provider, something where you own the equipment and you have more control over them, or to a private cloud. There's lots of options that you have besides dealing with the public cloud providers. And many enterprises are concerned, and rightfully so, that their data is going to be compromised if they push it into a private cloud provider. You got to remember, data for a company is going to be the crown jewels. It's what defines the company's value: customer list, inventory list, core processes, how they make money. And most companies are going to guard their data jealously, in a jealous way. And I understand why that is, because you could lose a great deal if it becomes compromised when other companies are able to view it. And so you have to be very careful out there. I think that's core to the message I'm providing right now.